Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how to fix cookies disabled on Reddit. This usually happens when your browser cookies are disabled. So you can see when I try to log in, I'm not able to log in. So go to settings, scroll all the way to apps and find Safari. Under Safari you have to find advanced settings and block all, just turn off this block all cookies, because this is usually ad blockers, and make sure to clear the history and cache. And once this is done, let's go back to Reddit and try to log in once again. I'll enter my email and the password. This is just some verification. Once this is done, okay, once you log in, you will be able to access your Reddit account without any issues. There you go. We are able to log into our Reddit account. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.